Good afternoon, fellas. My back itches in a very specific spot that I cannot itch. This is my first time riding to school. It's gonna be like probably an hour, 45-minute ride. Literally just left my neighborhood, and sitting at this red light. There's a cop behind me. A lot of bad things. Supposedly it's gonna rain today too, but we'll see. I just had an itch to ride to school, and the Supra is out of gas, and I'm too lazy to get gas for it right now. So I was like, you know what? Why not use this as an excuse to take the bike to school? I'm not trying to go too fast though, because there's a ossifer literally right behind me. He's gonna try. Yeah, he's passing me. We're good. We are chilling. I don't know if he was flipping me off or giving me a thumbs up or recording me. I don't know. But I don't know. We're chill. He's kind of going very fast. I'm gonna chill slightly above the speed limit, slightly above the flow of traffic, because I'm a good citizen. But yeah, I'm taking the bike on some unfamiliar roads today, so it should be quite an adventure. I'm relatively comfortable on it now. I've had a couple hours in the saddle. Oh, we're gonna be right next to each other at this red light. It's gonna be real awkward. Ooh, I just smell like eggs here, like hard-boiled eggs. I don't like that smell at all. That smells disgusting. Ooh, that truck is like leaking something. Yeah, nice day. Well, pretty nice day. Supposedly it's gonna rain later, but we'll see. Not too sure about all that. How much further did I gotta? 7 miles? Damn! Alright, well, this is gonna be a straight shot for 7 more miles, y'all. So, pretty chill, honestly. I'd like to see how this MPG is gonna be like after today. Woo! A little bit of a bump ski. Yeah, we're not doing nothing crazy today, as usual. You know, just a chill little ride to school. Because parking there has been horrendous the last 2 days, so I just wanted to go ride today. Honestly, that was another reason too. Like, motorcycle parking everywhere at school, but car parking? Nah, fam. Good luck. Walk to school. Park like 2 miles away. Just walk at that point. Like, you'd be hard pressed to find even just a parking spot, much less like a good spot. Yeah. So I am definitely super thankful that I do have this motorcycle. Man, my back itches so badly. And it's at like a specific spot that I cannot scratch. So I'm just sitting here just in pain. I want to literally like just rub my back against like a pole or something. The cop is I had ideas. Hold on. Can this hit? Oh my god, yes, this gets it. Ah! Okay, that worked. The good old hand reach underneath trick. Low-key, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not wearing a vest right now, so I'm like half squitting. I got armored pants on, thankfully, but like, it's just so hot. And plus, I'm not gonna go anything above like 60, 70. And yes, I know I can still get rashes. I can still get fucked up going like 5 miles an hour. As we all know, I definitely have not released a crash video yet, but I did drop the bike, as you can see. Just a little bit though, just a little bit, but it'll be okay. Let's see, did I miss anything? No, I did miss this red light though, or this green light, I should say. I gotta readjust my throttle hand. Maybe not. Feels nice. It's such a warmish day out today. Definitely of the warmer variety. Like, supposedly it's supposed to be fall, right? It's not falling. The leaves are falling, but the temperatures are not. Like, it is still mad hot out here today. Like, I was running errands this morning in like the Daily and the Rogue. I was burning up. Ooh, that's a nice color on the Mercedes. I have no idea what it is though. It looks like a CLS, but I don't think CLSs come in coupes, no? I don't know. Dude, I want to touch this semi so bad, but I know the cop is like somewhere behind me. Just like stalking me. So I'm not gonna try it. No chance. A 2:33 arrival time. Pretty good. Not too bad. Kinda chill. Very chill. My back itches again, by the way. Like, I'm literally just sitting here just awkwardly itching my back. I think it's because I took the tag off of this shirt, so it's kind of like just rubbing against myself. So it feels like super weird. Yeah, my camera low-key might overheat or die before this, because it's like supposed to be an hour ride, but we can make it less than an hour. But still, it's like 90-something degrees outside, and it is mad hot for no reason. And my back itches so badly for no reason also. Alright, bestie. Excuse me. Look at all this traffic that we're gonna sit in because lane splitting is illegal in Florida. So, yeah, let's, you know, sit in traffic simulator. Yippee. My alarm's going off for me to leave for the class that I was going to. But little does my alarm know, I have already left. So, go away. Is it away? I hope it's away. I better not be snoozing. I'm gonna crash out in traffic if it does. Well, actually, let's not crash out in traffic. How about that? Yeah? Because crashing out in traffic is no good. Ooh, Corolla Apex. I love these things. They look so good. It's so clean. Like, I wish they added a little more power, you know, made it like rear wheel drive, like an old Corolla, but nah. That's okay. No complaints from me. Because I don't drive one. I don't own one. So I can't say anything. I have a claw clip in my pocket, and it's like low-key stabbing me. Like, I'm getting assaulted by this claw clip, and I don't know where else I could put it to not stab me, but it's fine. That's the things that you put up with for the bike life, I suppose. Huh. How can I finesse this somehow to not stab me? Okay, no, if I get it any deeper, it's just gonna keep stabbing me. Okay. Hello, does that help? A little bit. Okay, there we go. It's like on my thigh now. That's fine. This light usually takes like forever. I'm just bent over, like on the side of my bike. Pause? That's mad sus. But I literally just am. I'm bent over right now. In the most straight way possible. In the most like non-pegging way possible, you know what I'm saying? Oh damn, we're racing! Ah! Ah! Oh no! Ah! I just got beat by Corolla! I'm 0 and 7! Oh no, biker! Ooh, is that a Gixxer? I don't know what the hell that was. It looked like a Gixxer like 250 because he was sitting upright, but it had like the Gixxer light. I don't know. That's kind of tough though. I'm gonna mess with that. Hi, Bessie. Kind of scared me a little bit, but we're okay. What in the world? That Honda was a little... That Honda was a Honda. Very Honda of him. Ooh. Are we congested up here? Are we in gridlock? Gidlock? No, we're good. I was gonna say, because like sometimes the traffic here be real weird and real strange for no reason. Well, there is a reason, because there's a lot of people that live here, but you know what I mean. Like, sometimes it's just mad weird. It is so hot. I can feel my skin burning off. I swear Florida is just hell on earth. Literally. All the circles and everything too. Or maybe it's just my bike is just that hot. Because I'm running, my temps right now are 222. Oh my god, angel numbers. But, yeah, I don't know. But all I know is it just low-key feels very hot for some reason. Yeah, we're gonna go back roads today and not take the highway because I don't have a toll thing for this. And plus, I feel like the highway is just mad congested and annoying right now. So, we're just gonna chill out on the main streets. Well, the main streets, just the normal streets, I guess. And it's definitely the tag because that same part that's itchy is itching again. Buy a big diamond ring for me. Would you get down on your knees for me? Pop that pretty question right now, baby. Like I'm in a dream. I know I've got a big ego. I really don't know. It's such a big deal, though. All right, we are through the traffic situation for the most part. I lied. Never mind. It's starting to clamp up here, but we'll be okay. Because we're on a bike, so we ain't gotta worry too much about that. All right, how much? 3 miles. Forward. Forward. Yeah, also, this bike, I think I mentioned this before, but this bike overreads a lot. Like, too much. I was riding next to my friend's Corolla, and he had cruise control on 45. The bike said I was going 57. Like, what? Sir? That's like 15, like 12 miles over. It's a little crazy. But yeah, I don't know. But yeah, it overreads a lot. I think it's because this dash would have been replaced once and it wasn't calibrated right or something like that. That's what I think it is. Full tank, a little bit heavier. I can't really feel it though, I'm not gonna lie. All I can feel is these guys going the same speed limit. We don't need to feel it, we can see it. It's right in front of our faces, guys. Look at that. That's crazy. But at least there's a red up here though. Which means we can chill out. Oh, never mind. I lied. No red. Oh, he passes. Ooh. Okay. I don't know why I switched to this lane. That was a really stupid mistake. I'm not gonna lie. So, what I'm gonna do is actually not lane split because the traffic is actually moving right now. It's gonna pass this truck because he was going mad slow when we were behind him at least. Oh my gosh, my shuffle is playing bangers today. Coyote ugly on the TV, extra loud. Woo! Landing talking, we'll get to talking. Flash me in a sexy smile, people get it poppin'. Come over more often. I'll give you a chance, boy, just don't let it talk in. Give it to me. Damn, I like full throttle that. That's why you ride in the power band. Do as I say, not as I do. Ooh, Popo. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Absolutely nothing, because I'm a law-abiding citizen. Now respect the police and comply with their requests. Wave this guy through. We're going mass slow anyways, so it's not like it really matters. Scooter! I don't think scooters know the biker wave, I'm not gonna lie. Most of them don't, it seems. But I wave to anything on two wheels, so I don't know. Maybe scooters have like their own little scooter wave. It's like a little secret club that we don't know about. Imagine. It's like the scooter society. They have like little scooter meets. I feel like moped gangs is basically like that, except it's a little more crime based, you know. But I have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm just yapping. This guy is going weirdly slow. I wonder what's in front of us. I don't know, because I can't see it. Probably a red light, I'd hope. Yeah, I don't know what that was, but we're gonna pass here. I totally missed an upshift, so don't mind me. I let him through just to pass him. I think it's because he didn't want to get on the highway and he realized that like that was kind of his mistake of being in that lane. Ooh, and we get first dibs at the little stoplight. Coolio Julio. That's crazy. Coolio Julio is crazy. It should be green soon. Or later. There we go. Thanks. Any other person would have took that. Respect for not taking that though. I think we turn right up here? Yeah, okay. I'm not crazy. That's a CTSV, I think. Very cool. Very sick. And now we wait. And now we're good. Okay, how far? 2 miles. Okay. Ooh, 40 miles an hour. Okay, we have to be wary of that. A little bit of a slower road. A very smooth road at that. I say that and then watch it becomes like gravel up here. No shot. I really hope it doesn't rain later. Because apparently we're going to get like drizzles at 4. It was a thunderstorm, now they've reduced it to drizzling. see. We'll see, but I really do hope not. Because it is a beautiful day to be riding around today. The wind is just flowing through my body, my helmet. All my vents are down for the most part. Yeah. It's nice, man. This is amazing. I do gotta check the GPS though, to make sure we're going the right way. I think we still currently are. We're good still, so we're fine. But yeah, never want to miss a turn because it's always a little bit awkward to pop a UE, get back there without dying, you know. Okay, I was so scared that it was a school zone. I was speeding through it. That's one thing I never like doing is speeding through school zones. That's something I don't do. That shit is so dangerous. You got people crossing, you got kids crossing. It's not it. But I looked around and other people were driving as fast as I was, so I think I was fine. This is a nice area. It's real cute. Not that many cars too. It's like relatively empty-ish. It's crazy. Yeah, no, it's quite nice. I think I was gonna let you guys enjoy this, just the audio of the bike. And speaking of, I'm missing this turn, so yeah, that's gonna be fun. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Let me cook real quick. I think we're gonna go up here. We're gonna pop a little UE. I know I said UEs were hard or whatever, but there's no cars coming, so we're fine. But yeah, I completely missed it. It was this one. And I fumbled the bag. That's okay, because sometimes, you know, sometimes you're just a professional bag fumbler. And that's okay. Because, oh, I was in second gear doing that? That's crazy. That's crazy. Huh. Okay, I don't know how I had the claw clip before, but it felt really nice. And it wasn't like stabbing me and assaulting me. Oh, okay, I think I figured it out. That's gonna leave an imprint though. That's fine. Ugh, there's like a little stain on my visor and I can see it and it's nasty. I think it might be inside though, so there's not much I can do about that. Let's see, we go. Yeah, okay. So as this light turns green, we're gonna go straight for a while. Oh, you got it, bro. I saw you, homie. I know we all got places to be. 35 miles an hour here is a little bit slow, it seems, but single lane, no passing, so we'll try to speed it up for everybody. Oh, there you go. It goes up to 45. We're good. Bumpy as fuck, though. God damn. Hey. Alright, well, I'm gonna let cars pass. I'm not that type of guy to just be a dick and just hold up traffic. So I'm not gonna go too slowly either. 'Cause I know everyone got places to be. We all got things to do. speed check is telling me to slow down. So I will listen. Be a good, law-abiding citizen and slow down for a little bit. Because I don't want to hold up traffic behind me. It's quite pretty out here. There's like not a lot of things, but it's pretty. Woo! I don't know if y'all heard that. That was a big bug that just like smashed itself on my visor. And I got bug guts everywhere on my helmet, which is really disgusting. I'm not gonna lie. But let's see. Oh no, we're going straight for a minute. That's cool. I wish there was a gas station somewhere where we could like clean the visor, but that's okay. We'll just have to deal with it. That boy came in flying. That's a Tesla with louvers. Did you guys see that? Yeah, look. Are you guys seeing this shit? Am I even recording still? I am. That was literally a Tesla with louvers. I've seen a lot of crazy shit in my day. There we go. Both the rollers were sleeping at the light. But again, they weren't too bad. Like, I feel like most like Floridians expect people to just like launch control their car immediately as the light turns green. Like, bro, come on, that's not that serious, alright? Ooh, hold on, the wind is like, it's taking some of the bug guts off of the helmet. Being real helpful right now. I love this bike's like little burbles. When I let off that throttle, it sounds so good. I don't know how well y'all can hear it, but I can hear it pretty damn well. A little slowdown up here for a school zone, I think? Yeah. For the kids! Is my clock flying out? I don't think so. I hope not. I really like this clip, and I really don't want it to fall out. Because if it does, I'm 100% gonna go back for it, wherever the fuck it will, where it is, where it will be. I don't know what I'm talking about. I think this was like a construction zone or something, where they have something going on here to where they like have to put down the speed limit. That scared the fucking shit out of me. Okay, claw clip is still here. We are chilling for now. Bug guts still on the helmet. Damn, that's a lot of cars, bro. Bro's got a little car dealership in his home. That's crazy. I respect it. keeping a nice distance to this Tesla up here, because you never know. You never know when a car is just gonna brake check the fuck out of you. It sounds so good. Just a Yoshimura slip, by the way. And also, I think I see the thunder clouds, or the light drizzle that they were talking about. And also, yeah, claw clip is still pretty secure, so we should be okay. It's like half in, half out, kinda. I don't know, it's weird. It's weird, but hey, if it works, then it works. I say if it works, but it's like low-key stabbing me. Getting assaulted by a claw clip. I'm so tempted to just wipe this. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah! It's still on there. That is disgusting. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't know. I think we're gonna have to go through the good old thing. Pause. Pause. On your mind, it constantly repeat doesn't mean that you want. Alright, y'all. If we get caught in this rain, I can't really do much. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. We got caught in this rain. We're gonna outrun the storm. Buddy, I am not a ZX-10R. I don't got it like that. I'm on a cutesy little 600, making 115 horsepower, 117 horsepower to the rear wheel, which is honestly pretty impressive. I'm not gonna lie, like, that's pretty tough. Oh, we were supposed to turn right here, but that's okay. We're going straight, I guess. I'm gonna pop a little Yui here. Okay, we're good. Ugh. I'm so annoyed at how many turns I've missed. My GPS saw I missed the turn. He's like, you know what, man? Just keep going. No, I want to stick to this original route, and I want to see if like it's actually doable, so I can do it for everyday rides. Ooh, is that an undercover cop car that is driven by a normal person? Cool. Pretty tough. Oh, another biker! What is he whipping? That's an old CB something. I don't know. It looks like an old Honda. That's sick. Just cruising. Having a good old time. Okay, yeah, so we were originally supposed to turn here, but my silly Willy McNilly looking butt went straight. That's why it's very important to pay attention to this GPS. The thing called your map, it tells you where to go. Pretty important. .239 temps is a little crazy though. Ooh, a lot of dirt, a lot of gravel. Careful. Okay. Little rev under the bridge. Not too crazy. Alright, 1.8 miles. Nice. Whee! Whee! There's too many damn bumps on this road. That's a little crazy. And now we're stopping. Temporarily. And more stopping temporarily. You know what? So far, so good, guys. This is going great. I'm having a good time. Are you having a good time? I hope you are. Ooh, cute lake. Wow, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Lake? I don't know. A pond? I don't know. Whatever that was beautiful. I want to live there. Okay, how close now? 145 miles. Okay, gotta pay attention to that. I can't be fumbling the bag anymore. I fumbled the bag way too many times this ride to allow for any more bag fumbles. The big lining. I'm surprised this hasn't overheated yet. It's so hot. I can't imagine if I had gear on right now. It would be even worse. Like, that is not okay. We need to make armored shirts. That's a little crazy. Never mind. Forget it. Forget I said anything. Armored shirts. Who hired this guy? Fire him right now. Make him pay us. The light is green. Green means go. Yes, as you can tell, I clearly passed my MSF course with top marks. I know exactly what I'm talking about. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Oh my god. My nuts. Whew. Oh my gosh, the wind is flowing through my armpits. That feels so good. Man, what is all this land, bro? Oh, they're gonna build houses. Of course they are. Keeping this land! It looks so pretty. Make some like cute little walking trails or something. I don't know. Not me skipping songs while going over the speed bump like that. Like what I should be doing is actually downshifting because we're going slower. We turned up here. Wow, look at that. I don't miss my freaking turn this time, guys. Wow, y'all proud of me? I am. I'm so proud of myself. Wow. Pat myself on the back. Woo, yippee. I don't think we make this arrow, do we? Yeah, we do. Barely. Barely. Bro, in the whatever the fuck that was. Scared the hell out of me, though. Alright, 4 miles. We're so close! Damn, stopping in the middle of the street like that is crazy work. But hey man, whatever makes you feel safer. Ooh, lady is going through it. Ooh. Mr. Sheriff, sir, how are you doing on this beautiful half sunny day? Let's not get into it down in the school zone where the speeding fines are doubled. That was the shortest school zone ever. Literally, it was not even like 20 yards. Cool. That was weird. A school zone lasting literally half a street. Like half of the distance between like an intersection. That's weird. That was weird. I don't know. That was an experience. Alright. Now we should be straight shot to school. So I think I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of this ride. Relax. Chillax. Whatever lax. That's not laxatives. Just cruise. I'm literally trapped between two trucks. This thingamabob up here and UPS. Cool. Love UPS. My favorite. We do not like USPS. The United States Postal Service? My biggest op. Besides Mark Zuckerberg, because he chat banned me for like 3 days. Is that our green? No, it isn't. We continue to wait. While this rain, or these clouds, continue to come in. It looks pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. I hope it doesn't rain incredibly hard. Because that's gonna suck. A lot. It's gonna suck a lot. It's gonna suck very much. Very much suck. Biggest suck in the world. In the spirit of the debate recently. 2.3 miles. And the claw clip is still inside, like the pocket. Right. You know what though? I will say, at least it's getting a little bit cooler. Well, here's hope it doesn't rain. Okay? Okay, cool. Yo, what if we like lane split in front of this truck? As you can see, the dead zone on this bike is a lot. Like, let me show you. That whole thing is dead zone. Red Tycon. That thing's sick. Absolutely awesome. Listen, I'm not a crazy huge electric car person, but the Taycan and the Audi RS GT, whatever, the e-tron, probably the only two electric cars I own. If I had to pick a third one, it would be probably a Rivian, like the Rivian SUV or a Plaid. I think Plaids are pretty sick, simply because they're just mad fast. Literally computers on wheels, or whatever people say about them. Instant green, almost as if I was about to put my foot down and it knew that it would have been green. Right, half a mile until our turn. What is these places? Some of these actually look like interesting, like, shops. I did not even mean to press neutral. I'm not gonna lie. I meant to downshift it first, but oh well, I'll take it. I will take it. Oh, look at my reflection. Oh, full tuck. Look at that. I'm so sporty. Yeah, we only used 1 bar of gas. That's honestly really crazy. That's like really solid. If it wasn't like the rainy season, I probably would have rode a lot more to school. What car was that? WRX it looked like. Oh, and we are green. Next signal. Well, I love that. The next signal signs. MVPs of the world, honestly. These things make the world go round. Without these, chaos, Armageddon, violent crimes would be at a peak high. A little weird turn, but it's okay. Okay. We're on campus now, so technically, you know, we made it. And a little bit earlier than scheduled too, I think. Wait, no, way later. Never mind. It's because the 2 missed turns, I'm not gonna lie. But besides that, I think it was a good ride. Solid little 1-hour trek to campus. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Hope you guys enjoyed the vibes. And I think I'm gonna peace out here. Hope you guys be kind to yourself. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, I've been waiting for an hour. Coyote ugly on the TV, extra loud. You said you'd come after you showered, but I can't wait, I've got to